drivers behind the lines. Match number 5 in 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 5 beginning. Looks like 2 red robots quickly off that starting line. Blue Alliance all 3 off. 1 Coral on that level 2 from Ripon Robotics. Looks like they were going to try and get an algae off of that reef. Unfortunately, has not left it. Red Alliance side, 2 robots off that starting line. Unfortunately, doesn't look like Rocket Robotics was able to make it off the starting line right away at the beginning. Drivers looking like they're kind of frustrated from Rocket Robotics. Hopefully it's a simple solution that the FTA can assist with. 2 Coral coming up on that level 4 from the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance looks like Ripon successfully dropping a Coral onto that level 4, getting some algae off the reef. Steel Bronco headed across the field, gonna bump into Ferrodermis, trying to play a little bit of defense against that human player station if they can. Human players having to be careful not to drop excess Coral into the team's robots. Does look like Steel Bronco though up on a piece of algae. Hopefully they can wiggle themselves off of it and get the remaining wheels on the ground. It's kind of difficult as the Steel Bronco Robotics drive team may not be able to see their robot as it's across the field from them. Does look like Rocket Robotics on that Red Alliance has a solid signal light happening from their robot right now. Hopefully FTA Justin is over there helping them and able to get them back up and moving. 2 more pieces of Coral successfully scored from both Ferrodermis and Wave. Wave gonna try and get some algae off that reef, and they do so successfully. Trailblazers grabbing a piece of algae, headed over to their processing station. Gonna try and get it up in there if they can. Still not in there yet though from the Trailblazers. Ripon continuing to glide back and forth from that human player station to the reef. Algae successfully coming through the processing station for the Blue Alliance, quickly scored in that Red Alliance net as only 30 seconds remain. Wave getting a last piece of Coral up on that level 4. Gonna see if they can get one more in. It looks like they're gonna change their minds and head over to try and ascend on their cage. Ripon lined up with their deep cage. Wave lining up with theirs. Ferrodermis gonna try and get in next to them if they can. Ripon up in the air, Wave up in the air. Ferrodermis, can they get up in the remaining 3, 2, and it looks like they do. 2 red robots up in the air simultaneously. Results are in. We have a Red Alliance win. 125 to 91. Red Alliance walking away with 4 ranking points. The Blue Alliance, though, not empty-handed, does earn the autonomy.